he started with a statement that Mr. Gulshan Singh has said about the sixth Guru Guru Hargobind Sahib, the wearing of the two swords, the swords of the religious side and our sovereignty. The Sikhs, not just a sword, but the Sikhs as a baptized Sikh, it is a sovereign individual and one that aspires to have its own nation. He also mentioned as to what we are continuing to work towards at the House of Congress, in the Senate, in the State Department, and working with all the other human rights commissions to put forward our issues of the trans issue. He continues to work hard with the youth and working to bring them along and moving forward. And I too encourage all those who are here, and there's quite a large contingent of the youth, to please, and sometimes we're not asking for their help, actually we're asking to work and teach us the ways to do things that are perhaps in the new generation. So moving on, it is my pleasure again to introduce Daljeet Singh, Chairman of the Dharm Prachar Committee in Delhi, of the Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee of Delhi. Bhai Sahib Daljeet Singh. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I'm glad to listen to various ideas how to protect our identity to my fellow speakers, guest speakers. I, Daljeet Singh, Chairman Dharm Prachar Education and Youth Wing, representing on behalf of Sardar Paramjit Singh Sarna, President Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee. Firstly, we thank and congratulate Sikhs who has been fighting trans-urban issues and global Sikh civil rights from long back. We are in touch with Kuldeep Singh, Mankaval Singh, Hardyalveer Ji, Vijender Pal Kaur, and other fellow team members. Firstly, we hold candlelight march in Delhi with Sikh chambers to mark our protest on the visit of President Sarkozy. We jointly arranged a press conference in Lee Meridian where number of electronic and print media persons were available. It gave good message to Indian and France government. After the reaction of that conference was President Sarkozy assured to look into the matter. After that, as many times, President Sarkozy visited India, United Sikhs, DIGMC and even other organizations held protests, even given memorandum to France ambassador to India. In Delhi, many other parts of the world, we see Tibetans mark their protest to free Tibet. Wherever the Chinese president goes, if there is even small population of Tibet, they protest. And even at the time of Olympic Games, they have done that. In whatever country they live, we see that government have sought attendance for them. United Sikhs is fighting the matter of trans-urban issue in lower court, European court, and even put matter into United Nations. By a recent decision by UNRC, we got light of hope to get results. From 1469, our religion was given different identity by Guru Nanak Sahib. We are facing challenges for identity from the times of our Guruship and afterwards. Situation differ from time to time. Even after 1947 partition, we have to relocate from Western Punjab, which was now in Pakistan, to Indian Punjab. Due to our continuous fight for rights and freedom, we faced Operation Blue Star. Years on years, we were indulged in some another issues. Now we must form a think tank. My basic idea was, now we must form a think tank of scholars and intellectuals with the help of various organizations and use the means of networking. DSS is keen to take initiative with the support of United Sikhs and other organizations to guide and help our Sikh youth in different fields as a vision ahead.
We congratulate United Six as they were recognized at the time of case community giving and coming at the first position where other Sikh organizations were also there. Yesterday when I have a connecting flight from Vienna, I saw a delegation of near about 100 Jews with family. They don't feel shy having their cap, beard. Today they are controlling large part of the economy here. We must taught our youth generation that our turban identity is not a hurdle to earn our living. We must make them strong in their younger age. As we all know, larger part of Punjab are getting into drugs and patipuna, etc. We have to take drastic steps to guide them positively as taught by Shri Guru Granth Sahib. One thing from which I am disturbed, which you might stand by me, that pulling of turban and case during the protest by Punjab government police forces, which even you have seen on internet and electronic media. How we can question other people or governments when in our native state under the nose of SGPC is happening. Punjab government must issue instruction to their police so that these type of things must not happen, as these things have impact within India and abroad. Sardar Paramjit Singh Sarna took many initiatives and steps for our civil rights as to remove blacklist of Sikhs in abroad, in which we got some achievement. Anand Marriage Act, the constitutional rights of Sikhs to be registered as Sikhs, not Hindus. Nationality of Sikhs relocated from Afghanistan, which case Mr. Sarna is pursuing with Ministry of Home Affairs. And one thing I must want to share with you, that the case of Devinder Pal Singh Kullar, you must know, in which Sumed Singh Saini, the now police chief of Punjab, he tortured his family, and today he is the Punjab police chief. He must be removed from his post. In last, I on behalf of DSMC committed to support United Six and its whole team who are doing continuous effort from last many years for our civil and religious rights globally. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.
Would behoove me to reiterate what the Lee Singh has mentioned about